In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your hosting a business email in Gmail so you can send and receive all of your professional emails from one place. This is a really useful setup if you want to keep your business communication organized, look more professional, and avoid constantly switching between email apps. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Log into your Hostinger account and make sure you're using the account that has your business email domain connected. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look for the email section, then click Manage next to your business email domain. This is where you'll find the connection details you need for Gmail. Before moving over to Gmail, take a moment to note down your Hostinger email settings. You'll want to pay attention to the IMAP server, the SMTP server, the ports, and the security type. These details are important because Gmail needs the correct server information in order to connect properly to your Hostinger mailbox. If you enter anything wrong here, the setup may fail, so double check everything carefully before continuing. Now open mail.google.com and sign in to the Gmail account where you want to manage your Hostinger email. Once Gmail loads, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Accounts and Import tab. This is the section where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and send mail from different addresses. Scroll down until you find Check Mail from Other Accounts. Under that section, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Enter your Hostinger business email address and click Next. On the next screen, Gmail will ask how you want to import your email. Select Import Emails from My Other Account, which uses POP3, then click Next again. Now you'll need to enter your Hostinger POP or IMAP settings, depending on how your mailbox is configured, along with your email password. Make sure the server name, port number, and security settings match exactly what Hostinger provides. If you want Gmail to keep a copy of the messages on the server, review those options before finishing the setup. After that, Gmail will start checking your Hostinger inbox and importing your messages. Depending on how much email you have, this may take a few minutes. Once the account is connected, you should begin seeing your Hostinger emails inside Gmail without needing to log into a separate inbox. Next, let's set up the sending side so you can reply from your Hostinger business address directly in Gmail. Go back to the Accounts and Import tab and look for the Send Mail as section. Click Add another email address. A new window will open, and here you'll enter your Hostinger business email address again. Gmail will now ask for your SMTP settings. Enter the SMTP server, port, and security type exactly as provided by Hostinger, then sign in with your email credentials when prompted. This step verifies that Gmail is allowed to send messages using your Hostinger address. Once the verification process is complete, Gmail may send you a confirmation code or ask you to approve the connection. Follow the prompts until the setup is fully finished. When everything is connected, you'll be able to send and receive Hostinger business emails directly inside Gmail. That means you can manage all your messages from one dashboard, keep your workflow simple, and respond to clients with your custom business address without leaving Gmail. If you want, you can also choose your Hostinger address as the default sending address, so every new email goes out from your business domain automatically. That's a great way to keep your branding consistent and make your communication look more professional. And that's it. You've successfully added your Hostinger business email in Gmail. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.